Hello and welcome to another video of no code app development using AppGyver and Firebase, Google Firebase. In this video, we're going to talk about themes. In the last video, we created a small page which lists down the details of all the courses and the number of videos in the course. In this video, we clicked on theme on the top and we reached on this page. Next, the first thing I'm going to change is this piece. I moved from black to this hex number #0D1E1E. You can use this or use any color of your choice. Next, I changed this piece, the color content, to a little yellow. And then I also change this to this hex color. So I changed background, content highlights, content primary label. This is for the primary label, remember, for the list, and this is for the secondary label as well. I left everything else here unchanged. Next, I scroll down on the list, open typography. And here I just changed font size label to 10, paragraph to 10, large 11, small 9. That's it. No more changes. We'll make changes to the theme as and when we go through our application. But for now, no changes, and click on save. Once I click on save and click on launch to test it, you would see this screen. So I go to launch, open preview portal, click on open, and you would see the color has changed. Is this the best color? Probably not, but we will change it as and when we develop the app. I want to show you the real time how small little changes can change the look and feel of the app. Next, I'm going to go back to the app and close this page over here. I'll reach to the theme. Next, what I'll do is I'll decrease the size of the course and click on this, go to styles, and you see typography. And in here, it says font size 28. I can decrease it to 20, maybe 18, depending upon how you want to look at it. Click on save. Go back to AppGyver, the page, and you would see this. This may not look like an app, but when we do the debugging, you would see this in app. I'll show you as and when we progress. Okay, so going back here, the next step, which I'm going to do is, if you click on this, you should be able to open a page which shows all the content for Google BigQuery. So going back here, and I'm going to create a new data for master videos, and you see Google BigQuery. So I want to get all the videos where the group is Google BigQuery, 19 of them. So if you go to 19th video, maybe 18. So because there is a 0 on top, so there are 19 videos. So I'm going to see the list of all the videos which are present in the Google BigQuery. And then if I click on big data and machine learning, I should see the list of all the videos that are present under big data and machine learning 101. Let's do that. So in this video, I'm only going to create the data, very similar to what we did in the previous video. So going back, click on data. You need to first establish that connection. Click on add REST API, very, very similar to what we did the last time. I'm going to copy the URL, master_videos. So I'm going to go here, master_video. It's not important or necessary to give the same name. You can give any name here, no problems. but I just want to maintain a consistency. Learn master underscore videos. Click on save and then click on get collections because you're going to bring it in JSON. Next, click on the test, run test, the same data you are able to see now, and then say set schema from response. You would see that link, group ID, video name, and video ID have been created, and click on save. Next, I go back to, so in this, sorry, I did not want to exit the app, going back into the app. I want to create a new page for the list of videos for that course. So in the next video, I'm going to do this because I don't want to make longer videos. Again, thank you for watching. Keep watching.